and today I'm going to talk to you about common cancer treatments and how communications with doctors may affect the type of treatment a patient will receive. Cancer has been a major problem, not only here in America, but also throughout the world. It is one of the top death causes. According to Global Health Overview, on average, 7.6 million people die of cancer worldwide. Although there are many different types of cancers, according to doctors and specialists, the majority of them are treated with either surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, or a combination of these treatments here in America. Surgery has been a treatment for cancer for many years. It is used not only to treat cancer, but also to see how far the cancer has spread. Surgery is used to diagnose a patient with what type of cancer they have. This is used by taking out a piece of tissue from the patient's body. Then it is tested under a microscope to see what type of cancer they have. Surgery is also used to remove cancer tumor from the patient's body. It is said that surgery offers the greatest chance of survival for many different types of cancers, especially if the cancer hasn't progressed through the body. The most common side effects for cancer is pain, fatigue, bleeding, loss of appetite, and infection. The other treatment is radiation. Radiation treatment is used to kill cells by beaming high energy rays on the cancer-damaged area. But downside to this procedure is that it not only kills cancer cells, but also damages normal cells. According to rtanswers.org, half of all patients receive some sort of radiation treatment during the course of their illness. Radiation can be given to a patient through the blood, through the mouth, or the vein. The substance then travels in the blood and then throughout the body. Chemotherapy is also one of the more common cancer treatments. To understand how chemotherapy works, one must understand how cancer spreads. The way that cancer progresses through the body is through cell division. One cancer cell will split into two cancer cells, and so on. Chemotherapy stops the process of cell division. Therefore, the cancer cell cannot grow any further. The way that the chemotherapy kills cancer cells is through damaging the part where the cell division occurs. Cancer has been a problem not only to many people around the world, but also to my family. A few years ago, my little sister was diagnosed with cancer. It not only drained our family's physical strength, but also our mental strength. Going through different types of cancer treatments was a long and difficult process. For more than a year, we were all suffering from this disease. But with proper care and treatment, my sister was able to fully recover with little to no side effects. Radiation, surgery, and chemotherapy are not the only ways to cure cancers. Many doctors all around the world use different ways to cure and treat cancer. An example of this would be Dr. Joseph Mercola. He devised a healthy food diet which helps not only treat but prevent cancer. Dr. Mercola said in one of his articles, "Let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food." Dr. Joseph Mercola's treatment does not require thousands of dollars compared to radiation, chemotherapy, and surgery. Another treatment is immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is used to boost the immune system, which then helps fight off cancer cells. These are only a few treatments that are used outside of the US. However, they are no worse than the ones we do use here. It just all depends on the communication between the patient and the doctors and what the doctors would recommend to their patients. Over the years, we see how cancer has become a larger and more serious problem. With new genetically modified food, pollution, radiation, and many other problems, cancer has become a serious and extremely large problem. Numerous studies and researches have been done on this topic, and humans now all over the world are educated enough to know what type of treatment goes best with what type of cancer. And as technology progresses and communication, more and more different types of treatments and medications are created to treat and potentially cure cancer. Thank you. thank you very much for your time.